Alright, so we're going to learn about extraction. It's not too difficult, but sometimes there's some mistakes that you make, so it can be frustrating. That's why I did that on its own tutorial. So anyway, here's an example of extraction. So you take an original layer and you just copy and extract it, which means pull it off to its own layer. So here's an example of extraction. Start off with one image of yourself and you just take off as many layers as you want. Here's a nice example. And here's something that it would be cool if someone could try to figure out how to make two images of you coming together. And then this is like cut out, so you can experiment, and I would love it if someone would try to figure that out, and then you can layer other images behind it. Okay, we'll see what we can do. So obviously I already have a picture. I found another picture of myself, so I want to unlock it. Okay, now we're going to go to our tools, and you're going to use your cut tool. First thing, I'm going to just use the shapes, and I'm going to just basically click and drag. Okay, and then you want to go to extract as a layer. If you look over here, you could see that I have my original face, but now I also have what was in that rectangle. That's the extraction. I could do this several times, but right now I'm going to pick my selection tool and I'm going to move my eyes to where I want them to be. Oops. I'll play around with some rotating. Okay, lovely. Alright, so I have an extraction here, but maybe I want to play around with cutting out more stuff, so I'm going to go back to the original layer. Make sure you do that. A lot of times I've extracted accidentally on the same layer. It gets frustrating. So if you find that you're making mistakes, just double check that you're on the right layer. I'm going to go back to my tools. And I'll just do a rectangle again. I'm going to try my mouth. Then you go to extract. And right now you can see it, but sometimes it'll paste over itself accidentally, or just so you may not see it, like it could have been just exactly where it was. So just don't freak out too much right away. Just it's there. Okay. So if I hide my face, you can see the two things. They're all on their own layer. They have to be on their own layer, otherwise you're not going to have any editing capabilities beyond the original extraction. Alright, so now here's the fun part. I'm going to go to my mouth. I'm going to make it big. Okay. Oh, I should have cropped out more of the mouth. Let's use a different cut tool. Yeah, we'll just do it. Now I see that all my mouth, and I'm going to extract the layer, and now I have my mouth. Okay, I'm going to go to my mouth, arrow tool, and now I'm going to stretch it big. And now I'm going to get rid of the face, because I want just my mouth to be huge. I could have used the lasso tool, but I'm just going to use the paintbrush now. So now that you know how to get rid of things, go to remove. I can just start erasing anything that's not the mouth. Remember, I could do big areas if I wanted. And because I'm only on the mouth layer, I don't have to worry about ruining everything else. And you don't have to do this. You don't have to get rid of the rectangles. Maybe that's part of the look that you want. But if you want to show off your editing skills, why not paint out stuff so that it's more seamless? So that my mouth could look like it's this big. It's awesome. Okay. Alright, you get the idea. Alright, and then I'll work around the mouth, make it more nice. Okay? So there's my mouth. And I can use the arrow tool and just kind of drag it, see if I want it where it's at. Okay? Same thing with the eyes. Could I leave it as a rectangle? By all means. But now I have to make sure I'm on the eye level layer. Go back to the paint tool, remove. And I think I do want some of this gone. For people who want A's, you just got to show you put a little more time into it. Oops, now to me that was not a good decision, so I would go back and just play around with it and so forth. For time reasons, I'm not going to do much more with this. But again, you can use other filters. You can change up your hue. See how I'm just changing the eyes there? So anything that's selected on the layer, you change those separately. Nice. Okay? That's extraction. So you can experiment as much as you want. Again, let's recap. You need 3 simple filtered ones of your face, and then you need a liquify and an extraction. Have fun.